m of t equals to 400 times 1.05 raised to the power of t over 3. The function m models the mass in nanograms of a particle after t years. Which of the following is the best interpretation of 1.05 raised to the power of t over 3 in this context? Here we have an exponential function. So let's consider the general form of an exponential function, that is y equals to a times b is raised to the power of t. Here a is the initial value of this quantity, that is y, and this b is either growth factor or decay factor depending on its value. If the value of b is between 0 and 1, then we have to consider this b as decay factor. Then this function will be considered as exponential decay. In case the value of b is greater than 1, then this b will be considered as growth factor. Then the exponential function will be exponential growth. Okay, here let's compare the given function and the stuff what we have discussed over here. At the place of a, we have 400. So in this function, the initial value of this m of t, that is the mass of the particle, is of 400 nanograms. And at the place of b, we have 1.05. So here clearly this is exponential growth function because the value of b is greater than 1. Okay, now we have to interpret this stuff, that is 1.05 is raised to the power of t over 3. Okay, now what I can do is I can write this stuff 1.05 raised to the power of t over 3 as 1 positive 0.05 raised to the power of t over 3. Let's consider this particular stuff. This decimal represents the growth rate. We can convert this one to percentage. To convert this one to percentage, we have to multiply this one by 100. Then we have 0.05 times 100 percentage equals to, we get 5%. So in the given exponential function, the growth rate is 5%. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in t equals to 3 into this stuff. Then we have 1 positive 0.05 raised to the power of 3 over 3, which is equal to 1 positive 0.05 raised to the first power. Okay, then we have 1 positive 0.05 because any value raised to the first power is still equal to the base what we have over here. So that is when I plug in t equals to 3 into this stuff, I am getting 1 positive 0.05. So let's take the same stuff we have over here in the given exponential function. Then we have 400 times 1 positive 0.05. Here 400 is multiplied by 1 positive 0.05. That is this initial value increases by 5% when I take t equals to 3. And we have t in years. That is every 3 years the mass of the particle increases by 5%. So the best interpretation of this stuff is the mass of the particle increases by 5% every 3 years. We have this stuff exactly in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.